Alright, so if you are farming multiple airdrops and not getting any penny from these airdrops, so then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will talk about why 99% of the airdrops are not gonna give you anything, and which airdrops are good, and how to identify good airdrop projects. So everything I will talk in this video. So if you are new here, just subscribe this channel so that you can get the quality content into your YouTube feed. So let's start this whole thing of the airdrop. So most of the people who are currently farming the airdrop are into the Telegram mini app. So Hamster Compact, Dogscoin, Categen, Notcoin, Yes Swap, Tap Swap, multiple mini apps are running into the Telegram. And I think at least 99% of these projects will go to zero. They will close off their projects because they are not gonna sustain for the long term. So let's understand the basic theory why these airdrops are running actually. So any company which starts their projects at the beginning, they don't have any users. And airdrop is the best marketing tactics for these companies to get the initial users on board. So let's talk about the Hamster Compact. What they have if they launch their project. And just assume it, Hamster Compact is a project and they are not going to give you single dollar as an airdrop. And they just give you, hey, this is my project, just use it as a customer. Will you use it? I think the answer is no. But why you are using it? Just because of the airdrop. So what they did is they synchronized your greed with their marketing. Your greed and marketing, and then Hamster Compact is popping, and right now they have 250 million plus users because of your greed. So let's see what happened with Hamster Compact. So right now they have 250 million users. And suppose if they go to the investors and if they ask, so right now we have 250 million users and we just want to raise the funds so that we can establish our project and we will give some airdrops to the community. And if they are able to get 100 millions into the funding, and if they distribute maybe 10 million, 50 million into airdrops, then how much you will get? Maximum $50 of airdrop. $50 into 4 months of grinding process. If you grind for 4 months and you get just $50 of airdrop, do you think it is worth? It's not worth. I think it is better to focus on your skills, upgrade your skills, and get paid for your services. That's the best model, I think. So let's talk about the Hamster Compact. So after the success of Notcoin, everyone is thinking that if they launch their project on the Ton ecosystem, they will get millionaire. But that's not true. So ultimately, all the projects, at least 99 of the projects gonna fail on the Telegram ecosystem. So Hamster Compact, I don't know. Dogs, there is another project which is running into the Telegram ecosystem and they have around 10 million users. And there is a speculation into the market that this dogs project is supported by the founder of Telegram. And that's why people are just crazy about the dogs. And let's see what happens with this. Categen is coming to Binance. This could be a good project on the Telegram ecosystem because they have a working game. And that game is pretty interesting actually. So I think Telegram ecosystem is overhyped in terms of airdrop. And you must be worried that you are farming 20 to 30 projects and you will get nothing at the end. So I think this strategy is not gonna work if you are farming the airdrop on Telegram mini apps. This is not gonna work. So let's talk in which projects I actually farm. So basically, two categories of airdrop farmers. First category, the people who don't have single penny to invest. So these kind of people becomes marketing product for these projects on Telegram mini app specifically when they have nothing to pay. So even if you go to the Catigen, they have 20 million, 30 million users right now. And who will get the airdrop? Only the people who are spending the money into the Catigen, because they have some upgrade system. They have some Telegram star system. You have to buy Telegram stars, then you can only climb up into the leaderboard. So if you are into the top, if you are into top of the leaderboard, then only you can get the airdrop. And to go into the top, you have to buy Telegram stars. So ultimately you have to pay to get the airdrop. So these are not free airdrop, and I don't think you will get the airdrop. This is harsh reality. So what are the airdrops which I usually farm? Because I have capital. I don't farm free airdrops, and there are some places which are actually a good reward as an airdrop. So Telegram ecosystem is not very good for the airdrops, in my opinion. And those ecosystem are not exactly blockchain extensive at the moment. So which airdrop I usually farm is, so one airdrop which I was farming was the Zero Land. So this is the Zero Land airdrop which I was farming, and I got a reward of around $400 on the investment of $4,000. So basically 10% of airdrop after the grinding process of 2 months. And then same time I was farming with the same ETH on Blast. So Blast ecosystem, in this I got airdrop of around $600 on the investment of $4,000. So same. So I deposited 1 ETH to the Blast ecosystem and then lend it to the Zero Land. So $600 from here and $300 from here. So which is total $900 out of the investment of $4,000. So when you have something to put into the crypto, and then only you can get the best reward out of it. So this is what you can actually find such airdrops. So Zero Land, one of them. Blast ecosystem. I farm this mode. So this is also a good airdrop. 30,000 is my rank with the just investment of $300 and $400. So this is the airdrop which I actually farmed. So Zero Land, Blast, Mode, these are the on-chain airdrops. You do some transaction and you get the airdrops. So ZK Sync was also there, and you have to do certain tasks and then you can get the airdrop. So but again, investment is involved there. So these are the on-chain airdrops in which you have to invest. Another very smart airdrop is Binance Launchpool. So in the Binance Launchpool, any good quality project like Catigen, maybe Ionet was there, multiple quality projects comes to the Binance, and they give initial bonus, initial reward as an airdrop to the users who stake BNB tokens into the Launchpool. So around 4 to 5% of the worth. Suppose if you have invested around $5,000 in BNB to the Binance Launchpool, then you will get around $200 of worth token into your wallet as an airdrop reward. So this is also a very good airdrop. You can consider it for the return as an airdrop. So first on-chain airdrop is these: Zero Land, Blast, Mode, and Binance also. And if you don't have and another category actually which gives you free airdrop. So I remember I used to trade in Memecoins, so especially WIF and one another called as Bonk. So I was holding Bonk and WIF, and what happens is I used to get multiple airdrops on every 3 and 4 weeks. So one airdrop I received which was MEW, cat in a dog's world, and the worth of that airdrop right now is $1,000. Can you imagine? You invested just $500 or $200, and now your airdrop value is $1,000, and this is free money. And why you are getting? Just by putting some money into the meme coins. So they are giving these new tokens to the people who are holding the meme coins. They see these people are the potential investors, and let's distribute this token among them. So I got this cats in a dog world, and I got airdrop of Memecoin. So this airdrop is worth around $300 right now. I received water airdrop. Why I received? Because I was holding bear token, BEER, and that's why they gave this token. And ultimately this token is went to around $10, $20 and worth. But what I'm saying is, this is the another way. So if you trade and if you hold any meme coins, try to hold into Phantom wallet, OKX wallet, or any on-chain wallet, so that any new projects coming into the market, they can give you airdrop. And if you're on exchange, they can't detect you and you won't be able to get that airdrop. So this is the third category in which you can get the airdrop. Telegram mini app, I don't think it will work. Second category, if you have investment, you can go with the blast mode on-chain airdrop. Third is Binance. Just go to the exchanges, participate into the launch pools. And the last category is the meme coins category, in which you just put in some money on chain into the meme coins and you will get the airdrop. So this is the last. And in this video, if you see, airdrop is something which will be given to you based on the value system that you have. So if you are holding meme coins, you will get. If you do some on-chain task, you will get. If you invest into Binance token, BNB token, then you will get. So the last category, which is testnet category, where where you don't need to invest anything. In that category, there are some projects called Bira Chain. DOP testnet was there. Multiple projects on testnet projects were there. And I see none of them actually given you the airdrop. So ultimately my suggestion is put in some money, maybe $100, $200 to start your airdrop journey to get the valuable airdrop. Otherwise you will grind for 6 months and you will get just $10 to $20 of airdrop. And I don't think you should prioritize your time over the money. So just save time and try to make more money into that time. So that's my ultimate thing about the airdrops. See you into the next video. Thank you.